True or false? I dare you to score 5-7. Most people fail this quiz. There's a jellyfish that can live forever. There's a mushroom that glows in the dark. Snakes dislocate their jaws to eat large prey. Their jaws are flexible but don't dislocate. Sharks can blink with both eyes. Sharks don't blink like humans, they roll their eyes back. A frog can be frozen solid and survive. Wood frogs can freeze and thaw with the seasons. Bananas grow on trees. Banana plants are technically giant herbs, not trees. The fingerprints of a koala are almost identical to a human's. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow for more brain-bending quizzes.